warm welcome to you all. How are we? Join me in the kitchen and let's make a delicious homemade pasta recipe. In this video, we are going to make a creamy pasta recipe. This is perfect for weeknight dinners. Grab a seat and let's get started. I will start off with sauteing the prawns. So I went in with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee has melted, I will go in with the seasoned prawns. For more flavor, I will sprinkle a bit of the southern fried seasoning over the prawns. Garlic and herb seasoning. Then mix till it's well combined. So you can either use oil or ghee to fry the prawns or saute the prawns over medium heat until opaque. So while I wait for the prawns to cook or saute beautifully, I will go ahead and start cooking the pasta. Allow me to quickly check on the prawns, and as you can see, this is the outcome. I will set it aside for later use. Now let's continue with cooking the pasta. I will pour water over the noodles. Add a bit of sunflower oil to prevent the pasta from sticking together. Then I will go in with salt to taste. While the pasta is gently cooking, I will start with cooking the creamy sauce. In my pot, I will go in with the leftover ghee, which I use to saute the shrimps. So once it's nicely melted, I will add the chopped onions. You want to cook this for about 2 minutes over medium-high heat. I also have some chopped ginger and garlic. Let's mix till it's well combined. Fry this for about 2 minutes as well. At this point, the ingredients are nicely cooked. So now I will go in with the tomato paste. Cook this for about 2 minutes and then add a bit of water. For a creamy outcome of the pasta, I'm gonna be using coconut milk. Mix till it's well combined and let it simmer for about 5 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. So after a few minutes, the sauce will thicken. At this point, I will go in with the grated cheese, then mix till it's well combined. For taste, I will go in with my seasonings, shrimp cubes, and salt to taste. Let it simmer for about a minute. So as you can see, the pasta is cooked al dente. Now let's set the pasta aside, add a bit of cold water to stop the cooking process, and then go in with the pasta. Allow the pasta to soak up the creamy sauce, okay? So I have chopped up my bell peppers. Now this is optional to use. To add a bit more of flavor, I will go in with my shrimp cubes. Then mix again. Ready, and it's time to enjoy. Thank you and stay blessed.